Ah! I think I clipped it.
Yeah, just a little bit.
That's no problem. Hey.
Hey,
Oh.
nice atmosphere here.
Hobbada. Yeah, I'm not so fat. All those burgers don't matter no more.
That's one small step for man. Right, let's have a look at this garden then.
Right, this $500 million garden. Oh, look. There's $500 million rocks there. Look. See them?
Floating.
Magic rocks.
Whoa!
Who's
Was that
down?
the turret shooting you? Was that shooting the ship?
It's shooting the ship. Yeah, it could destroy the ship because there are some stations that are a bit bugged.
So there'll be no enemies until the lift? Or?
Yeah, no, but nothing until we go down.
Let's go. Watch this. Look at that, Apex Legends, mate.
Get your grappling hooks out.
Oh, it's open. Alright.
Knock knock. Hello.
Oh, it's a lift. Right, cool.
Good.
There's 10 in theory.
Wow, they take a while to die, man.
Sort of flop over flaccidly, don't they?
We'll just stand there like, Yeah, we're coming. Come on now. What? Oh, I'm in big trouble here, boys. Oh, I got no ammo.
Whoa.
Blew in the way. I'm having that though. Oh yeah.
Shotgun.
Nah, man.
Oh, there's a guy opposite now.
What?
Right, down.
Yep, top right, top right.
Nice. Oh, God, I just shot dunks.
That's me.
Sorry. Oh, wait there. I'll get out my healing.
I could do with some heals, man. If you got some.
Oh, you're doing so.
I need proper treat.
I f***ed with the wrong people. Oh, I'm in the star map. What the f***? Oh, can't move my legs. Can't move myself. Guys opposite me.
Duh.
Yeah, I went to the star map. Is he down? No, he's still alive. Hold on. This dude. Ready? Hey, that sucker! Yeah!
Get up, Chris. Watch out, they're all around you now.
I've flopped on the floor. No fault of my own.
Hostiles remaining 3 of 12.
Yep, there's one. Now he's down. Dunks is rinsing them. 2 of 12.
I just shot some dude.
It's weird because I'm sure it said 10 at the beginning.
It did.
Look,
Oh,
this
yeah.
guy. Look. He's giving up.
Is that right?
He's working in the drug den, so it's all good.
Oh wait, he's human though.
Yeah, but it's still classed as he's still classed as
We should
like
have beat him
not
up instead. You should have got your fists out, man. So there's 2 left, right? Oh, there you go. On the right. He's gone round. Nice. Oh, there's Snake. He's getting a grenade. Fucking fire in the hole, bitch. Did it get him?
No, he's already dead.
Alright, so did we get paid?
Yeah.
Alright, sweet. Yeah, loot time.